Good evening, everyone. I'm Shraddha. Let's talk about today's market performance. Market bulls were back on Dalal Street today, reversing the steep losses logged in the morning amid broad-based buying. Bearing the auto and IT sectors, investors bought stocks from across sectors and bond yields in US fell to 1.35%, while US stock futures indicated a healthy session on Wall Street later in the day. Around 3 p.m., Dow Jones futures were up by over 200 points or 0.6%, suggesting a positive start on Wall Street after a sharp decline in the past week. S&P 500 futures and Nasdaq futures were up by 21 points and 81 points respectively. Pan-European Stocks 600 index erased early losses to trade flat on the day, while Britain's FTSE 100 was off 0.05% in Eurozone. In Asia, Japan's Nikkei led declines with a 3.6% drop and dipped below 28,000 for the first time in a month, and MSCI's broadest index of Asia Pacific shares outside Japan fell 1.4%. Chinese blue chips lost 0.7%. So let's see ideas for cash delivery. You can buy Pidilite Industries at 2,160. Stop loss you can keep at 2,100. Target you can keep at 2,220. Calls that were given to you on 10th of June for HDFC Life and UFlix hold the position with the mentioned target price and stop loss. Benchmark S&P BSE Sensex and Nifty 50 indices hit the day's low of 51,740 and 15,506 respectively in early morning trade. However, low-level buying emerged quickly to recoup losses. By close, the Sensex index was at 52,574 levels, 230 points up or 0.44%. On NSE, Nifty 50 index was at 15,746 levels, 63 points up or 0.4%. Let's talk about top gainers and top losers for the day. Adani Ports, a 5% up, was a top Nifty gainer today, trailed by NTPC, Titan, SBI, Tata Steel, Bajaj Finserv, Grasim, and HDFC. On the downside, UPL was down by 4%. Along with that, Wipro, Hindalco, Tata Motors, TCS, Maruti Suzuki, and Tech Mahindra were the top laggards. Sectorally, the Nifty PSU index ended 4% higher amid reports that the two financial institutions might be privatized. The center has shortlisted Central Bank of India and Indian Overseas Bank for divestment. According to a report by TV channel CNBC Awaaz, the two lenders might see 51% sale in the first phase of divestment, as per the report said. Individually, the two banks hit their respective 20% upper circuits, while Jammu and Kashmir Bank and Punjab and Sindh Bank from index rallied 20% and 18% respectively. Bank of Maharashtra, Union Bank of India, and UCO Bank were up in the range of 6% to 8% respectively. Besides, the Nifty Realty Index was up 2% and Nifty Metal, Private Bank and FMCG indices gained up to 1% each. On contrary, the Nifty IT and Auto indices slipped 0.2% and 0.36% respectively. That's it for closing outlook. We will meet again with morning updates along with technical calls. So don't miss to join us tomorrow at 9 a.m. and also do not forget to subscribe our 5 Paisa channel. Stay tuned. Bye.